So let's go outside then and check out the covered decking area which I made, which me and Tina made. See what it looks like. Let's see if it's still there, whether it's blown down in a gust of wind, shall we? So 7 years ago me and Tina put this up. There we go, look, still going strong. Absolutely solid. The ivy's grown now, that's growing nicely. That's been trimmed back once or twice. It's still absolutely solid. Looks very nice, lovely little area. Nice use of this small space in this area here. Absolutely solid. I mean, it could do with being treated actually, you know, with some preserver. There's the roof, the framework, look. Nothing wrong with that. The paint's still going surprisingly well, although I have noticed that. This is proper masonry paint, obviously. Starting to peel at the top. Yeah, something's starting to come off up there, look. So 7 years ago we put this up and it's still there and it looks bloody lovely. Solid as a rock, still going strong.